In the fall of 2021, Franzen Agriculture concluded its harvest season in the Dutch polders. After harvesting onions, they used a GPS-guided levelling machine to flatten the fields, ensuring proper drainage. In late September, they harvested potatoes with a powerful Duwolf Quattro machine, then cleaned and stored them in a modern cold storage facility. By mid-October, the focus shifted to planting tulip bulbs and preparing the soil for winter wheat. They used a specialized planter to place the bulbs between 2 layers of netting, making future harvesting easier. Subsequently, they harvested carrots with a Duwolf ZK IV machine and stored them for export. Although the harvest season ended, work continued year-round, from processing produce and exporting to maintaining machinery.
Potatoes are being stored in this storage facility that was built last year. Potato harvesting is on the agenda at the end of September. Compared to last year, we showed you the onion harvest in great detail last year, so we won't go into great